Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about what's on my wish list, I guess for winter, upcoming season. I have a few things I guess I already picked up, and then if you want to see what I end up getting from this video, thrifting, all that kind of stuff, I can do like a little haul later on. When I like put things on my wish list, I get maybe like 2 or 3 of them, and they take forever to like pick up all of them. Okay, on my wish list is something that I, again, actually already got by the time I sat down and started filming this video. I have like this kind of list in my phone for, like I said, months and months, but it's a dark gray beanie. I think my brother watches my videos. Sorry, Jackson. But I originally was just gonna get like a plain dark gray beanie, and I kept going to the thrift and trying to find one, and then my brother sent me this brand called Lost. I think that's all it's called. And he said he wanted something from there for Christmas, so I got him 2 things from there and other stuff, so boo-hoo. But then the hat came in. Like, is this not everything I've been talking about this season? I put it on my head and I was like, Jackson's got a big head. I've got a big head too. But I was like, this isn't gonna fit him, so I kept it. Little gray beanie is off the list. This is looking a lot more brown on camera, but I swear it's like a taupey gray with like blue stripes. So cute. Something I can actually link for you guys, but I've been wearing this beanie nonstop, and I just didn't have like a good cutesy beanie, and I think it was like 20 bucks, so not like the cheapest hat ever, but not awful. I got something off my wish list. Yay. Okay, next thing I have on my wish list is a dark gray cardigan, or a black cardigan, honestly. I don't have one with just like the little buttons that gives like the very Miu Miu cardigan that was on the runway last season, and those seem so easy to thrift. Every time I keep going to the thrift store, like they just don't have a cardigan section, or I'm missing it because I'm going into the thrift store with a 1-year-old. Can you guys believe that my baby's 1? I go into the thrift store with a 1-year-old, so I'm like haphazardly looking. And I think that maybe this time in my life, I need to realize that in-person thrifting just isn't for me. I am way too scatterbrained right now, whether I have my baby with me or not. If she's not with me, I'm just rushing to get out of there because I'm like, I just should be home with her. And then if she is with me, I'm trying to keep her entertained. So I haven't been able to find one. I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and get one off like Poshmark Depop or something. And even when I find them there, they're like 20 bucks for like a nice one. Like I want one that's either cashmere or 100% cotton. Like I don't want a polyester one, and I don't want to spend $100 for one from Zara. So 20 bucks to me was like, that's so expensive when I know I could go in the thrift store and find one for like 10 or under. I can't do that anymore. I really like how people are styling them with just like one button on top and a white t-shirt underneath. I did that for a recent video, and I did not think that that would look good on me because I have bigger boobs, and I swear so many fashion girlies just are part of the itty bitty titty committee, and they can like wear anything and it looks so much better. If you don't think you can wear it because you're bigger chested, you can. It looks cute. It just looks like a lot more put together, these little cardigans, rather than even like a crew neck cable knit cardigan, because I wear those all the time too. But yeah, I'm excited. So preferably, I don't know. I've been realizing too that like darker colors just look so much better on me, and I have so many cream sweaters and cream cardigans, and I think because I just like did not get tan at all this summer, because normally I would like lay out in the summer, but obviously I had no time to do that. So I did not tan at all. I'm a lot more fair skinned than I normally am. And I just think that like darker colors with my like really dark hair are looking better on me. So charcoal gray or like black. I have a navy one already, but it's like a different silhouette than what I want because I am so picky. Okay, next, a wide sleeve black sweater, or honestly a t-shirt, like a wide sleeve t-shirt. There's this one from Reformation that I like always put in my cart and take out because it's pretty reasonably priced for Reformation, but then I'm like, it is a black long sleeve t-shirt, but it's not like I can just go into Walmart and get a black long sleeve t-shirt because I want them to have these like wide sleeves and not a bell sleeve. Like this is what I mean, that I'm so picky. And then even the Reformation one, it's more of like a boxy oversized fit. I don't want it that boxy. I want it a little bit more fitted on the torso with a wide sleeve. So if you guys know of any of shirts like this, let me know. And then also if I got the Reformation one, I want to cut like the collar off and make it more of a boat neck. So I'm like, can I justify spending $50 on a shirt that I'm gonna cut up? I don't know. You'll find out later this month if I bite the bullet or not. I think that they're gonna have like a Black Friday sale though, so maybe I can like justify picking it up then, but probably not. I just think it would look so cute with my like pinstripe pants, jeans, like little midi skirts in the wintertime, and a knee-high boot. I feel like I always fail to have the right top to go with like more of a dressy bottom when I want to tone it down in the wintertime, because sometimes a sweater makes things look too dressy. I don't know if that makes sense. You guys know, like, I don't dress up. I wear like my jeans, sambas, and a crew neck every single day. So if I am wearing like a more fancy piece, I want to have something to like balance it out so it feels natural to me. Next thing is a wool pea coat. I don't know who I saw, or like probably just on Pinterest, but pairing Adidas track pants with like a shorter pea coat I thought was so cute, and having the pea coat like totally buttoned, and I want it to be like, I want it to have wide sleeves. I want it either in charcoal or navy blue, probably charcoal, and then I want it to be like an A-line cut. I have that black one that I am obsessed with the cut of. Like, it is the most perfect cut jacket in the world, but it's like a nylon material, so it's really just not warm. It's more of like a spring jacket. If I could get that jacket in wool, like, that would be my dream jacket right now. So I don't know, I think it's called a pea coat still. I really don't like when they're double-breasted, so they have like the double buttons all the way down. I've never been a fan of that, even with like a trench. They're still cute, like, and I see people wear them and I think it's cute. I just don't like it on me. Again, it's like almost too dressy, and a single line of buttons makes things look less dressy. So honestly, if you went through my Poshmark and like Depop right now, all my saves are like these kind of pea coats that are so close to being perfect, but they're not. And I think I found one on Poshmark that's like really good, but of course it's Max Mara, so it's like a $300 wool pea coat. And again, I'm not looking to spend more than, I would say $60 is my limit to spend on a coat like that, which is insane because like new, those are, you know, upwards of $100-$200. But if I'm buying it secondhand and I'm taking the time to really look for one, I'm gonna find a steal. I'm not gonna spend a bunch of money on it. So yeah, but I think that with obviously jeans, it's perfect with if you wear like mini skirts or shorts. I love that shorts and tights are coming, or like are back in, opposed to skirts and shorts. Skirts and tights, because again, I dress a bit more casual and I guess like kind of tomboy-y. I don't know if that's the right word. Like, shorts have always just been way more comfortable to me than a skirt. So I'm talking about a pea coat, but mostly with like Adidas track pants, I think is the move that I want to make. We'll see if I ever get to. And I don't know why my long trench is just feeling a bit too, again, like dressy recently. I don't know if it's like being a mom and me. I always talk about how I'm like weird with too many like fabrics on me. And like I'm kind of feeling that with a long trench. Like I'm getting claustrophobic with them. Next, I want a midi ruffle polka dot skirt. So specific, but this is how my brain works. Or a midi ruffle cheetah print skirt, but I think I recently found one on Whatnot, so my itch for that might be fixed. I was so into only maxi and never midi skirts, and it was just because I never had the right midi skirt to me. So I really want like one that's almost like a mermaid cut, or like tight-ish, and then has like the little ruffle peplum bottom. I've talked about the peplum for like seasons now that like I'm into it. I like it on tops, I like it on dresses, and I like it on skirts. I almost bought this like long peplum dress. I'll have to try and find a picture of it. I almost got that for a wedding, and I kind of like regret not getting it now, but instead I went with something like more chill and tame. But yeah, I think that this style is so cute, and then it's so feminine, which is like so backwards of me talking about how I don't dress that feminine. But I could see myself pairing in the summer just it with like a basic cami, like a spaghetti strap cami, and then either like sambas or kitten heels depending on like what the vibe is, or even like loafers I think would be so cute, because my loafers are a bit more like slim and petite. And then in the wintertime with the black shirt that I don't have, it would be so cute, like just a boat neck slouchy top. I have like t-shirts like that. I just don't want to cut any of my long sleeves, and I want my long sleeves to have a wide sleeve. I'm sure so many of your lists are like this, where you're like, yeah, you could send me 1,000 links that are similar to what I want, but it's not right. I guess the last thing I wrote is just wide sleeve. As you can tell, I'm so into like a big sleeve right now. And that's all I have to say about it. But that's my wish list. Let me know what's on your guys' wish list. I did a video where I kind of went through what you guys sent me. I can do another one of those if you guys want, or maybe if you're like going through what to give as gifts, maybe that could be fun. Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.